Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce the commands in timeline management. There are 5 different commands in timeline, including play, pause, stop, jump, and stop program. You can use them to control the playback in timeline, including the main timeline, the aux timeline, and the timeline layer in the program. We can check the properties of the timeline in bottom right, or double-click on it. You can edit the name, the trigger time, or even change the command type right here. For the name, you can edit any name as you wish. However, if you want to use the shortcut to trigger the command, you have to name it with a single letter or number. Remember to check Play on shortcut in timeline menu. In this case, the name of the command will become purple. When you are playing the media in timeline, you can use the shortcut to jump to the command that you named with it. In this case, we can press 1 to jump to the play command. The pause and stop command are just the same with any other situation, that the timeline will pause or stop on these commands. The jump command will let you to jump to a specific time or command, and you can choose to keep playing or pause the playing after the jump. In this case, we will choose jump to command. Type in the command name for 1. Click on OK. We can see in this case, the playing status will jump to the first command and make a loop for it. And we can try to change the jump to command to jump to time, and we can set it at 3 seconds. The stop program command is the combine of the timeline and program mode. You can use this command to stop the program that's currently playing when you want to start using timeline mode after a program mode. It's better to use this to switch between 2 modes. Let's play program 2. And in this case, we want to play the media in the timeline. We will set a stop program command at here, just before the media in the timeline. And we can click on play in timeline. The program 2 will be stopped when the timeline runs over the stop program command. That's all for the commands in timeline management. See you next video.